everybody, today I am going to show you a instant and yummy breakfast with all-purpose flour and shredded coconut. Ingredients are all-purpose flour, unsweetened grated coconut, frozen or fresh, egg, water, butter, sugar, cardamom and a pinch of salt. Start making the breakfast. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of water, 1 egg, melted butter, and you can beat with this and add a pinch of salt. Keep a pan to medium heat. Now with that mix you can make a pancake. Slowly spread it. We made is good enough for 8 pancakes. Now let us mix 1 cup of grated coconut with 7 to 8 spoonful of sugar. And peeled and grinded cardamom. Take 1 tablespoonful of coconut, spread it here and wrap it like this. Keep on doing. Now our coconut wrap is ready. Our new generation call this love letter. It is very yummy. Try it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Bye bye now.